Hi everyone again, how's everything going? I hope you are doing pretty well. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about letter Y. So, one of my previous lessons, I mentioned that letter Y can be vowel or a consonant. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. Okay, it can be a vowel or a consonant. So actually I divided the words into two groups. In the first case, we can see the letter Y as a consonant, and in this case, letter Y is considered as a vowel. So let me explain. If the word starts with the letter Y, it's going to be a consonant. Okay, let's read the words. Yard, yard, yard. Remember, it always makes the sound of y, y. And its alphabet name is Y, right? Y. So, yard, yard, yard. Youth, youth, youth. Yourself, yourself, yourself. Young, young, or younger, younger. Okay, the next one is yogurts, yogurts. Yeah, again the sound is yeah, and it is consonant because this is at the beginning of a word. Yogurts, yogurts. Okay. Yoga, yoga. Do yoga, yoga. Last but not least, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, let's review again. So if the word starts with letter Y, it is considered a consonant. And after Y, we can see vowel A, right? In this case, we can see vowel O. Here, also again, vowel O. There is also O, 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 and vowel U. Okay, if it's clear, let me explain the next row. Okay. In this case, letter Y is vowel, and there are a few reasons. Yesterday, I mentioned that if the word hasn't got any vowels except Y, it's going to be a vowel, right? And if it finishes to vowel Y, then it's going to make the sound of long I. Shy, shy. Or here, Y, Y. Again, long I, Y, Y. Okay, in other cases, we can see two vowels. Each word has two vowels, and it's going to make the sound of long E. Any, any. There are two vowels, vowel A and vowel Y. Any, any. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Next one, silly, silly, silly. Okay. Happy, happy, happy. And jelly, jelly, jelly. Yes, as there are two vowels and the word finishes to letter Y, it is going to be long E, right? Again, any, tiny, crazy, silly, happy, and jelly. If the word has just one syllable and the letter Y is the vowel, it's going to make the sound of long I. Shy, shy. There is only one syllable, right? And the vowel is Y, then it's going to make the sound of long I. Shy. Why? 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 Okay, let's review all the words one more time. I'm gonna go first. If you want to, you can repeat after me. Yard, youth, yourself, young, yogurts, yoga, yummy. Okay, now here, shy, any, tiny, why, crazy, silly, happy, jelly. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the lesson was clear and useful for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.